Namaskar. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Agri Business A Journey. Today I will discuss about the cyclical unemployment. The name indicates the cycle is more connected to the economic growth cycle of a country. Economic growth cycle can be elaborated that the recurring and the fluctuating level of economic activity over a period of time. Recurring and fluctuating activity means the fluctuations has been observed both in the production front and the consumption front. When the production will be grow, the consumption will be grow. There may be the chances that when the production will be going down, then consumption will be going down. In that circumstances, economic growth cycle has observed in different type of the parameter, just like you will see the expansion, you will see the recessions, you will see the depressions in the different period of time in the economic growth cycle. Economic growth cycle majorly observed according to the changes of some of the indicators, just like the national output, capital output, consumer goods output, employment and income. When there is the expansion stage, all these parameters has been in the positive path. It means income will be increased, employment will be increased, consumer good will be increased, capital will be increased, national output will be increased. But when there is a recession stage, when there is a depression stage, same indicators will be going down. But whatever the situations, in both the conditions, in the expansion stage and the depression stage, you will find the unemployment. When the systems are in the expansion stage, the only motive to increase the profit, private investment will be quite higher, because overall business ecosystems is quite good. So private investors always think that we invest as much as we can to increase our profit. But unfortunately, effective demand will be is not increased so much due to the saturated economy. One side, private investor increase the output, but that increase ultimately the cost rather than the profit. When there is the increase the cost, then automatically they will go for the downsizing or layoff of their employees from their institutions. Some of the employees lost their job because whatever the output has been increased, that will not find the enough customer in the market. In the another side, when there is the depressions, when there is the recessions, then ultimately overall capital, their capacity has not been utilized properly, because capital growth will be reduced down due to the recessions and the depression. Similarly, the capacity also be going reduced down in the particular circumstances or in the particular time. In that conditions also, some of the unemployment will be observed in the overall scenario. In both the conditions, though in the economic growth cycle, unemployment has been observed both in the expansion stage and the recessions and the depression stage, irrespective of the circumstances, this type of the unemployment is called as the cyclical unemployment. How we can overcome from the cyclical unemployment situations? We will do two things. Either we gear up private investment or we will gear up consumptions. In the line of the private investment, you will like to, or the government will like to reduce the interest rate by which more and more money will coming to the market through the private players for investment purpose, or government will give some of the concession in the form of the corporation tax relaxations. When the corporate tax relaxation will be increased, then more and more private players will be interested to come and invest. To increase the consumptions, government will give some of the relaxation in the line of income tax, or government will give direct subsidy in the hand of the consumers, by which consumer surplus will be increased. They go for more and more consumptions, by which it will be gear up private investment in indirect way. Or government will come with the public sectors or the social benefit activities, by which the overall scenario will be changed through government supportive measures. This all about the issues in the cyclical unemployment, cause of the cyclical unemployment and probable solutions against the cyclical unemployment. Thank you for watching.